Okay, so in this video we're looking at working the quads and releasing the quads, so the muscles, the big muscles on the front of the leg that involved a lot of the time with squats and your lunges and things like that. So these get worked a hell of a lot, especially if you lift heavy weights. So what we're going to do is try and relax these muscles a little bit. The way we're going to do it today is seated. There's a few different ways you can do it, as always. It also depends on what you have available and what tools you have available, and also what actually works for you as well, because some people don't feel one more than the other. So again, test it and see what it feels like for you. As always, use common sense and see how you get on. So the first one we're going to use is a ball. So all you're going to do is actually rub and roll the ball around the quads. And what you're going to do is literally all the way over to the side, and you can bring it all the way back over that way. So we're looking, you can go up and down. I quite like going round. I think that works really, really well, especially on the outside of the thigh. I'm using one hand on top of the other because it gives me a little bit more pressure. I can pull on that ball that way, and again I can push when I'm going that way. So while you're doing this as well, what you can do is move the leg up and down, and that will just give you a little bit more, get to the muscles in a different way. So yeah, that's using a tennis ball, a hockey ball, golf, whatever you've got available again. So again, rubbing round and moving the leg as well, up and down. You can also go side to side as well and do it that way. So you're actually just rocking the leg side to side, and you sort of flick over the muscles in that position. So that's using that. The other thing I've used for a client recently is we use the dowel. So if you haven't got dowel, use a rolling pin. They work really well. Stick them in your bag. So again, you can go up and down. You're putting pressure on, whatever you can cope with. Go, rather than trying to go the whole muscle, just go a couple of inches and work on that one area. And again, you can work on lifting the leg up and down. You can also go side to side that way as well, and keep moving the leg. Okay, so again, you can go up and down just a couple of inches, and then you move it a little bit more, and then do that a couple of inches. Again, you can come to the side. So this is where a rolling pin works a little bit better. Or if you haven't got a rolling pin, this I think I bought from, I think it was TK Maxx. Other stores are available as usual. Argos I think has them as well. So yeah, it's literally just a massage tool. It's a spiky balls along a pole, and all you're going to do is apply the pressure. This does feel awesome, to be fair. Up and down. Again, I tend to stick, rather than doing the whole area, I tend to stick just to a couple of inches first, and again you can move the leg up and down. This does feel amazing. To the side, and you can also, it's a little bit harder, but you can just sort of perform like a friction movement. So you're literally just rolling very gently over the muscle, because it can be quite tender, and again just working your way through, and oh, that feels awesome. So again, moving the leg, work inch by inch rather than again the whole area. You can go right to the very top, find out which spots you need to work on, find out which tools you've got available, and just have a play around. Make sure you do both legs as well, so I'm going to have to go and work on this now. So hopefully that helps with your quads and releasing them. You can also do it with a foam roller, which I'm going to do another separate video now to show you exactly how to do that as well. So speak to you soon. Thanks guys, bye.